Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenel Narcisse in your Cotton Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I would like to unbox an item that I bought last year, specifically in the month of November, on the last week of November of last year. And it's only this time that I'm going to unbox this item. And I have here a VANS sneaker. And the story of this is that while I was browsing on the sale items of a local department store here in my neck of the woods, I found this pair of sneakers. And I like the color. And this is the Sport Low. This is the Sport Low model of the VANS sneakers. And this is size 9.5 regular. And that's my size in all my sneakers, whether they are for running or for fashion. It is always 9.5 regular. And we're going to unbox this item. I still have the receipt of these sneakers, and I bought this for 40% off because I'm a card member of this uh, mall. This is the Shoe Mart, their department store. So I got 40% discount, and it amounted to only about 4,000 pesos, which is very cheap. And I'm going to unbox this item. And this is a red suede with a gum sole. So I'm going to bring out one by one. So this is the appearance of these sneakers or sneaker. This is suede, and the color is red with white shoe laces. And it looks good on my jeans and other pants like chinos or short pants. And I'm going to get the other pair, this one. So you can see it here. Nice color. I don't know if this is still available on the website of Vans sneakers. And I like the combination of the sole or the gum portion because it is brown, and then you have a color of red. The beauty of this is that you can easily clean this portion with a nice cloth or wet wipes, and then the dirt will be gone, as compared to having a white gum sole, because it's very hard to clean a white sole. All you have to do is, if you have a white one, is it is easily stained by mud, soil, and of course other discoloration, and it is very hard to brush it using a detergent soap. So this is a very nice combination for a sneakers, and there's no need for much maintenance. And of course, you have a white lace, and it's really nice. So yeah, so this will be paired to my selvage denim jeans, my chinos, my short pants, and some baker pants that I have, and some camouflage pants and militaria items. So that's it for this unboxing video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. This is a very small YouTube channel, and I don't mind if I have so many or uh, a number of subscribers. This is just my hobby. It's a pastime just to show you the things that I buy, and then the things that I wear, and the things that I like. So with that, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.